Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you go like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today we're going to be diving into the topic of confidence and how you can build it in your daily life. If you ever struggle with self-doubt, this video is for you. So let's get started. Firstly, let's understand what confidence is. Confidence is not about being perfect. It's about embracing your imperfections and believing in your abilities. It's a skill that you can develop over time. So it's not like this is going to happen overnight. You have to apply this to your daily life. This is not, so if you think, oh, I'm about to build my confidence right after building this video, no, you gotta apply this to your daily life. Next, positive affirmations. Start your day with positive affirmations. Repeat statements like, I'm confident, I believe in myself, and I am capable. Positive affirmations can rewrite your mindset and set a positive tone for your day. Some days when I really don't feel like working, I gotta tell myself, hey, today's gonna be a good day. You're gonna get through this work day. Sometimes I tell myself I'm not gonna be hard on myself today. I'm going to be, calm, cool, and collected. Next, set realistic goals. Set achievable, realistic goals for yourself. Break them down into smaller tasks and celebrate your victories along the way. So, along the way of building your confidence, you are going to complete goals. And it's probably not going to be major goals in your life, but at least there are goals that you have set in your life that you want to accomplish. So if you have accomplished something, even if it's small, appreciate it and give yourself credit. This not only builds confidence, but also keeps you motivated. All right, let's go on to the next one. Body language. Pay attention to your body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. Projecting confidence through your body language not only influences how others perceive you, but also impacts how you perceive yourself. So, say you're not having a good day, and today is just not your day, and you put on a smile, and even though you're not having a good day, the smile made your day better. So it's projecting. You put out what you want. If you want to have a good day, a positive day, put out good, positive stuff today. Okay? Next, learn from mistakes. Okay? This is hard, but you got to do this. This is important. You got to learn from mistakes. If you don't take accountability and learn from what you have done, you're never going to progress in life. Embrace mistakes as opportunities to learn and grow instead of dwelling on failures. Analyze them, extract lessons, and use that knowledge to improve. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. It's part of the learning process. Everybody makes mistakes. That is part of life. Nobody is perfect. Whoever told you that they're perfect, they're lying. Okay? Because nobody is. I'm not. You're not. Your mother's not. Your Grammy's not. A millionaire, a billionaire is not. So don't be thinking, oh, I gotta be this perfect person just to be confident. No, you don't. I have a higher level of confidence, and I don't feel like I'm perfect at all. So, next, surround yourself with positivity. Don't surround yourself with negative people, including family, because I know, even if that's your family or parents, if you can get out the house, get out the house. If you can't, stay in your room and focus on yourself, because you matter more than anyone else. You are important. This is your life. Nobody can tell you how to live your life, okay? You are important, so you gotta focus on you at the end of the day. Surround yourself with positive influences. Choose friends and environments that uplift and support you. Positive relationships can significantly impact your self-esteem and confidence levels. I noticed that when I start surrounding myself around my family more and more people who are more positive, I start feeling better and I start having less of those negative thoughts that I used to have. Like, I used to be very angry and I used to want to fight everybody. Like, I'm just being real. And you can't go around with that mindset, because then you're going to be in jail or you're going to be dead, and you can't. No. Okay? You got to change your mindset and the people you surround yourself around. Because if you surround yourself around people who like to fight and who like to do this and that on the daily, that's how you're going to be. Visualization. Practice visualization techniques. Close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself succeeding in different scenarios. This can create a positive mental image and build your belief in your capabilities, okay? If you visualize that you can do something, like, oh, I can do this and I can, like, I visualized that I was going to pass my senior year with a 4.0, and guess what? It happened. Visualize it, manifest it, imagine it, and it will come true. Manifest it for sure, because manifestation, if y'all want to learn how to do that, I have a whole video on manifestation. Make sure y'all go check that out, because it plays a major role in a lot of stuff. I'm telling you, manifestation is the key to a lot of things, okay? Next, accept accomplishments. Learn to accept compliments graciously instead of downplaying your achievements. Acknowledge them with a simple thank you, accepting compliments, reinforcing positive feedbacks, and boosting your self-esteem. So say for instance you're walking down the street and somebody say, oh, I really like your makeup today, and oh, I really like your outfit today, instead of saying, oh, well, it's really nothing. No, be like, thank you very much. I spent a lot of time on this morning. Thank you for really like appreciating it. Appreciate yourself. Do not downplay yourself, okay? I used to do this a lot too. It was like, it's nothing. No, when people compliment you, that mean you look good. Take it and don't downplay it. You look good, girl. Period. Your outfit look good. All right. Now let's get on to this last bit of this video. As we wrap up, remember that building confidence is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and keep pushing your boundaries. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share it with anyone who it might benefit. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay confident. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you go check out my manifestation video if you have not. It will be linked at the end of this video, and also I will have it in the description. If you haven't checked out my last video, which was very emotional, very different, make sure you guys go check it out. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Love you guys. Bye.